What if one of the most terrifying experiences a person can go through, a racing heart, shortness of breath, dizziness, chest tightness, overwhelming fear, and the terrifying sensation that something catastrophic is about to happen, is not actually your body failing, but your brain entering a state of extreme survival mode? Welcome to Vital Drift, your trusted source for science-backed health, longevity, and wellness insights. Panic attacks can feel like heart attacks, loss of control, or even impending death. For many people, the symptoms are so intense that they believe they are experiencing a life-threatening medical emergency. But while panic attacks are deeply distressing, they are usually the result of sudden, intense neurological and physiological responses, not actual physical collapse. Today, we're uncovering what truly happens inside your brain during a panic attack, why these episodes feel so overwhelming, what biological systems are involved, and how understanding the science may help reduce fear and improve recovery. Let's begin. A panic attack is essentially a sudden and exaggerated activation of your body's fight or flight response. This survival mechanism evolved to protect humans from immediate danger. When your brain perceives a threat, real or imagined, it activates the sympathetic nervous system. This system rapidly prepares your body to either fight danger or escape it. The key brain structure heavily involved is the amygdala. The amygdala functions as the brain's threat detection center. During a panic attack, the amygdala may become hyperactive, interpreting signals as immediate danger even when no true physical threat exists. This false alarm triggers a cascade of powerful biological responses. Once activated, the hypothalamus signals the adrenal glands to release stress hormones such as adrenaline, noradrenaline, cortisol. These hormones rapidly create intense physical sensations, increased heart rate, rapid breathing, elevated blood pressure, muscle tension, sweating, shaking, dilated pupils, heightened alertness. This process is designed for survival, but when triggered inappropriately, it can feel terrifying. One major reason panic attacks feel so intense is the prefrontal cortex. The rational thinking part of the brain may temporarily become less dominant. This means logic, reasoning, and calm analysis are partially suppressed while survival systems take over. In simple terms, your emotional alarm system becomes louder while your logical brain becomes quieter. This can create catastrophic thoughts such as, I'm dying, I'm having a heart attack, I'm losing control, I'm going crazy. These thoughts can intensify fear, creating a vicious feedback loop. Breathing changes also play a major role. Many people hyperventilate during panic attacks. Rapid breathing lowers carbon dioxide levels in the blood, which may contribute to symptoms such as dizziness, tingling, numbness, lightheadedness, chest discomfort, visual disturbances. This can make the experience feel even more dangerous, even though the body is often not in true medical crisis. The cardiovascular system also responds dramatically. Heart palpitations, pounding heartbeat, or chest tightness may mimic serious cardiac events. While these symptoms are frightening, they are often direct consequences of adrenaline surges. Panic attacks may also affect perception. Some individuals experience derealization, depersonalization, tunnel vision, heightened sensory sensitivity. These symptoms occur because the brain is reallocating resources toward perceived survival priorities. Evolutionarily, this response was meant to protect you from predators or immediate danger. But in modern life, chronic stress, trauma, anxiety disorders, sleep deprivation, caffeine, hormonal shifts, or nervous system dysregulation may trigger this system unnecessarily. Risk factors for panic attacks may include chronic anxiety, trauma, history, high stress genetics, poor sleep stimulant overuse hormonal imbalance, substance use underlying panic disorder. Importantly, panic attacks themselves are not usually physically dangerous, though they can feel overwhelming. Understanding this distinction can be incredibly powerful. Fear of panic can itself worsen panic. This is known as the fear-panic cycle. Individuals may begin fearing symptoms themselves, which increases hypervigilance and makes future episodes more likely. This is why education is so critical. When individuals understand that panic attacks are intense but temporary nervous system events, fear often decreases. So how long do panic attacks typically last? Most peak within about 10 minutes, though residual symptoms may persist longer. Even though they feel endless in the moment, panic attacks are generally self-limiting. The body cannot maintain maximum fight or flight activation indefinitely. Eventually, parasympathetic systems begin restoring balance. So, how can panic attacks be managed? Science-backed strategies often include slow breathing exercises, grounding techniques, cognitive behavioral therapy, exposure therapy, reducing caffeine, improving sleep, stress reduction, regular exercise, mindfulness practices, medication. When appropriate breathing techniques are especially important because controlled breathing may help regulate carbon dioxide balance and reduce sympathetic overactivation. Examples include box breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, extended exhalation. Therapeutic interventions can also help retrain the brain's interpretation of bodily sensations. In many cases, individuals can significantly reduce panic frequency and severity over time. The key message is this: a panic attack is not a sign that your body is failing. It is your brain's alarm system becoming overactivated. While the experience can feel catastrophic, it is often a temporary neurological storm, not permanent damage. By understanding the biology behind panic, individuals may reduce fear, regain control, and begin healing. Knowledge reduces uncertainty, and uncertainty often fuels panic. Thank you for watching Vital Drift. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health, brain health, wellness, and longevity insights. Share this video with someone who struggles with anxiety or panic. You never know who may need this information. Your brain is powerful, and understanding it may be one of the strongest tools for protecting your health. Stay informed. Stay vital.